This next form is called Repulse Monkey. It's an odd name, isn't it? The creators of Taiji observed animals fighting and were inspired. They imitated the movements of animals, integrating the movements with yin-yang theory, and created Taiji. So many Taiji forms have names related to animals.
Think of directions in terms of a clock. Imagine you're standing in the center of a clock and facing 12 o'clock. Then the right side is 3 o'clock. The back is 6 o'clock. To the left is 9 o'clock. And there are 4 corners. The right front corner is 1:30. The rear right corner is 4:30. The rear left corner is 7:30. And the front left corner is 10:30. I'm moving as if I were your reflection. For you, it'll be like looking into a mirror. When I say to you, raise your right arm, you raise your right arm on this side. Remember, it's like looking in a mirror. Now, let's learn Repulse Monkey, which follows the start form. We were facing 12 o'clock with both hands at about hip level. Now, turn the body to 1:30, the front right corner. At the same time, drop both hands with fingers pointing downwards. And please note, both arms are not fully stretched, but they have the elbows slightly bent. Then separate both hands, turning the palms up, and raise both hands to shoulder level, with the right hand pointing at 4:30, the right rear corner, and the left hand at 12 o'clock. As you lift both hands, turn your head to look at the right hand, but your chest is facing 1:30. Next, bend the right elbow to bring the right hand close to the right ear. At the same time, turn your head to look at 12 o'clock, but your body is still facing 1:30. Next, turn the body to 12 o'clock and push the right hand to 12 o'clock at shoulder level. At the same time, pull back the left hand to the side of the waist with the palm facing up. Avoid overreaching. Keep the shoulders square. And then we continue this on the left side. Turn the body to 10:30, the front left corner. At the same time, drop the left hand with fingers pointing downwards. Raise the left hand to shoulder level with the palm up, pointing to 7:30, the rear left corner. At the same time as you're doing that, gradually turn the right palm up. When raising the left hand, turn your head to look at it at 7:30, but your body is still facing 10:30. Next, bend your left elbow to bring the left hand closer to the left ear, and turn your head to look at 12 o'clock, while the body is still facing 10:30. Next, turn the body back to 12 o'clock and push the left hand to 12 o'clock at shoulder level. Simultaneously, pull back the right hand to the side of the waist with the palm facing up. Remember that the arms are not fully stretched. Keep the elbows slightly bent. The hands move in curves, as if you're about to embrace someone. Remember too that we turn the body 45 degrees to face the corners, 1:30 and 10:30. The rear arm doesn't move directly to 12 o'clock. It moves to the ear first, then pushes forward to 12 o'clock. The movement is continuous. When you practice, synchronize your breathing with these fluid movements. Raising both hands, inhale. Pushing the right hand, exhale. Raising the left hand, inhale. Pushing the left hand, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You can continue and repeat this form as many times as you like. In the next tutorial, we'll take a look at brush knee.